And now, we're back to cooking with grandson. Oh, I have such a weird grandson.
So I just got off of a 14-hour work shift. I'm extremely tired. I need to get my protein because obviously you can see I'm not strong enough. Today, I'm gonna make some protein pancakes. So what is a protein pancake? Well, it's a pancake with protein in it. Let me show you what I'm working with here. I got whey protein. I got me some eggs, yogurt, of course. And you can't have pancakes without bacon. I got the turkey bacon, so we're gonna have some turkey bacon today. You cannot have pancakes with good old Aunt Jemima baking powder. We're gonna use this to make the pancake a little more fluffy. And of course, we cannot have pancakes without the bowl. This is what happens when you work 14-hour shifts and you can't get enough protein. All right, so first things first, we're gonna take some good old whey protein. Can you see that? It's blurry. Anyways, dump the whey protein. I messed up and got the wrong oats. So we're gonna have to mess with these old-fashioned oats. But the real recipe has quick oats. All right, I messed up. We're not gonna use the bowl. We're gonna use the blender. All right, so we're gonna mix the quick oats. Bam. And now we're gonna get this whey protein. Dump that in there. So we don't need this bowl, I lied. Now we gotta crack these eggs in here gently, because if I get shells in here, my hand is gonna go through all those blades and that ain't gonna be pretty. Now we're gonna take about 1 scoop of yogurt. See if I could get that in focus. Might not be able to see. I don't want to get yogurt. There we go. So we're gonna dump that in here like so. You know, I'm just gonna get a little bit more yogurt. Put that in there. There we go. Now we're gonna put very little milk. We're not put like a cup or anything like that. We're just gonna put about this much. We're gonna put a little bit of baking powder in here. You can kind of see that sprinkling down there like snow. This is gonna help the pancake rise. Man, why you always asking me how's work? Work's always the same. Nothing new, nothing different. Man, this one guy at work, man, I swear to God, like if he's always getting in the way. I got this turkey bacon right here. There's not that many pieces of turkey bacon, so I might just make all of it. All right, so we're gonna put that in the pan here. Look at that turkey bacon. It looks good, to be honest. I don't know what y'all talking about. Turkey bacon is nasty. It smells good. It feels good. I see nothing wrong with turkey bacon. This smells so good. I want to eat it raw. But I'm not trying to get salmonella, so don't say I said that, because I didn't say that. Where the heck did I put where's my pancakes? Where did I put my pancake? Oh, man, it right here, man. It's bedtime. So we're gonna pour the pancake in like so. It's just a normal pancake. You know what I mean? We're just gonna pour it in like a normal pancake. I like big pancakes, so we're gonna make this one big. Man, where's my spatula, man? Man, it's right here, man. I forgot my spatula. So I'm always bad at turning pancakes, so don't make fun in the comments saying you don't know how to flip a pancake. Man, I'm creating the recipe. I don't care about flipping the pancake. Anyways, there's the pancake. To be honest, man, that turkey bacon smells amazing. That turkey bacon smells like Thanksgiving. I don't know what y'all complaining about turkey bacon, but turkey bacon is so good. I'm about to eat the whole package. That's how good that bacon tastes. There we go. And this smells like Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving breakfast. But that's what it looks like, guys. We got the pancakes and the bacon. We're gonna do a taste test when I pour this syrup all over it. So I got some light syrup here. Healthier than normal syrup, but still not the healthiest, so you don't want to put too much. Thankfully, I'm not afraid of a little bit of sugar. I work out, I think enough, so should be fine. But anyways, let's go ahead and taste these protein pancakes. When I tell you these taste exactly like pancakes, I'm not lying. Turkey bacon, oh my goodness. No. This is illegal. This cannot taste this good. This is illegal. I need to hide from the cops. Do not call 911 and report this, because IHOP, I'm sorry, but man, these pancakes are so good. This tastes exactly like a pancake. And guess what? Protein, nothing but protein. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. Make these pancakes immediately. If you craving pancakes on a Sunday, don't be getting that garbage. Go ahead and get some protein. Make these. And hey, turkey bacon is good too. Mmm.